Welcome to the 40-second lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, the main focus is on creating side seams that shift forward. We are now creating forward-shifting side seams with multi-neck method. Start by removing unnecessary measurements set. Then, add the necessary nodes, outlining the garment shape. Dimension nodes can be added for easier dimension setup. Set the relevant dimensions. Set the front panel with the same principle. Finally, adjust the knitting rules. This is the method for creating forward-shifting side seams. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.